This is a review video of best video converter and compressor from Wondershare, plus a tutorial on how to convert videos from MP4 to 4K, MKV, 3GP, AVI. There are nearly 1000 plus formats in which you can convert your videos using Wondershare UniConverter. Not only this, I will share details on how you can get free license of Wondershare UniConverter. So watch this video full and subscribe to WM Originals for free license and much more. Hey folks, Akhil here back with another video, and today I am teaming up with Wondershare UniConverter to share a video converter software, which is an all-in-one video converter with which you can manage your videos like a pro. With UniConverter, you can not only convert or compress videos, but it also comes with bunch of fantastic features such as subtitle editor, image converter, screen recorder, and basic video editor. Not only this, it also supports nearly 1000 plus formats. So let's start this video and know more about Wondershare UniConverter and its capabilities. Here we are on official website of Wondershare UniConverter. It is your ultimate video converter, which is more than a media converter. With this we can convert more than 1000 videos and audio format at 30x faster conversion speed. As I said, it is a more than video converter. It also has capabilities of being your go-to video editor with features like add effects, subtitles, and change video speed. It can also cut, crop, and trim videos as well. So you can use this as a video editor as well. And not just video editing, it also has capabilities of being a screen recorder. So with this you can also record a computer screen, audio, and webcam also. This is an ultimate software from Wondershare which you should use. So if you want to give it a try, check the link in video description and pin comment. There is also an UniConverter toolbox, and that has bunch of features such as subtitle editor, image converter, GIF maker, fixed metadata, CD and DVD burner, and much more. Now enough of talking about its features, let's give it a try. And for that, let's move back to top of the page and click on try it for free. Download starts, and once completed, click on downloaded file to start with the installation process. Once the installation completes, click on start now to launch Wondershare UniConverter. So simple and easy video toolbox from Wondershare. Now let's give it a try and convert a video first. Click on browse, or you can also drag a file to convert. Now from here we can choose the video format to which we want to convert our video. Not only we can select a video format, but can also convert video for a specific device as well. Let's convert this MP4 video to MKV. Once we have selected format, click on convert to start conversion. Conversion starts, and it may take some time depending on the size of your video. Once completed, you can move to Finish tab to see converted file. You can preview your file directly from here, or you can click on Open to open file location. This is how easily you can also convert your videos to any format for any device. If you want to give it a try, check the link in description and pin comment, or you can also claim your free license of Wondershare UniConverter. Stay tuned, I will share details on how you can claim your free license. Now let's try to convert a audio, and for that click on audio converter. From here you can convert your audio to different formats same as video converter. Just simply import an audio file, choose an audio format and convert it. After conversion your file will show up in Finish tab. You can also preview your file directly from here, or you can also open file location. I just love how fast and easily UniConverter converts audio or video files to different formats. You can also convert files in bulk also. Now let's try to compress a video and see how much size we can reduce with Wondershare UniConverter. Click on Video Compressor and browse to import a file first. Thereafter, click on Settings, and now from here we can choose file size, how much we want to reduce it. See, it can reduce the file size to just 5.87 MB. from around 60 MB. That's fantastic, but we will see the quality of video after compressing it. We can also change video format and resolution from here. Thereafter, click on OK and now click on compress. File successfully gets compressed. Let's move to finish tab and click on open to open file location. And let's play this video. Here you see the video quality remains the same. It's just fantastic work from Wondershare. I just love to manage my videos with Wondershare UniConverter. It saves so much of time and resources as well. If you also want to give it a try, check the link in description and pin comment. Now let's check out UniConverter toolbox. From here we can convert images, create GIF, fix metadata, can transfer files, burn CD or DVD, and not only this, we can also convert videos for VR as well. We also have subtitle editor, the latest addition to Wondershare UniConverter. If you follow my channel, I just love creating GIF from videos to post them on social media and also post on YouTube community as well. So let's create a GIF with this, and for that click on GIF maker. Thereafter import a video, select the duration of video to make GIF, and thereafter click on create GIF. And once done, we can preview our GIF and see it is ready to be shared wherever you want to. This is how easily you can convert, compress and manage your videos using Wondershare UniConverter. I just love the capabilities of Wondershare UniConverter as a complete toolbox. It has all you need. If you want to give it a try, check the link in description and pin comment. Now as you are watching till now, I have a pro tip for you. Wondershare UniConverter also comes with high speed conversion mode. Just turn this toggle on and you can convert videos at 30x faster speed. You can also read all about high speed conversion here. Now let's talk about UniConverter pricing, and for that let's move back to official website and now click on buy now. Here we have different plans for Windows devices. Just choose the plan as per your requirement and complete with your purchase. It is also available for Mac. To see the pricing of Mac version, click on this, and here you see the pricing of different plans for Mac version. You can choose the plans as per your requirement, but what if you want to give it a try before going ahead with your purchase? Then I have a special license for you all. Now let's talk about the free license and different offers from Wondershare. And here we have promotion page of Wondershare UniConverter, and here you see UniConverter is available at 5% discount. You can check this out by visiting this page. From here you can also claim yourself 7 days free license of Wondershare UniConverter. Click on the link in description of this video to visit this page, and from here click on get free license now. Thereafter from here you can sign in or create Wondershare account, and after that click on get free license now. And here you see confirmation. Congratulations, you have successfully claimed 7 days membership. So now enjoy Wondershare UniConverter for 7 days, and if you like what you get from it, you can always upgrade your account. To claim your free license, check the link in description and pin comment. This is what I had in this video. If you find this useful, do give this video a thumbs up. Also share our views in comments and consider subscribing to WM Originals for more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.